Good morning. Today I'm going to be doing a quick overview of this 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country with the Duramax 3-liter. We got this vehicle in late Friday. I seen it here Saturday. Did not have time to take a video of this beauty. This is in a dark ash metallic. It does have the wheel-to-wheel running boards and the 22-inch wheels. Let's get a view of those down below. Alright, of course, High Country models do have this copper and chrome grille on the front end, and of course front and rear park assist. These nice lamps, nice running lamps there as well. It's a good view of that grille. Just going to be quick going around this one. Chrome mirrors. Sun's not out, so I really can't capture the dark ash metallic. This does have the power up and down tailgate. Show you that one there. Alright, somebody threw a piece of trash in there to pick that up. Of course, the High Country bed is embossed on the spray-on liner, and your lights in the back. Nice plug-in in the back. And you can close this tailgate many ways. You can just use the key. Just got to hold down the button when you're using the key, though. This one is equipped with the extra camera in the light assembly, as well as your extra cameras for your trailer. It does have one for inside the trailer and one for outside of the trailer, as well as your 7-pin connection. Those are available in our parts department. They're about $500 a piece. Of course, you have your dual exhaust outlets. Let's go in the back. You can see that wood finish there on the accent on the doors, really nice. And these seats are really pretty. You do have the storage behind the seats on both sides, as well as your cup holder and sliding rear window. This is kind of overlooked, is right on the other side. If you need more visibility, there's a little button there to lower these down for better visibility. Rear vents, and you do have a USB-C and USB, and outboard heated seats in the back. We'll go to front. And as you can see on the doors, continue that nice theme. High Country engraving there, as well as your nice outline on your speaker for your Bose stereo. Power seats on both sides. Pretty good view of those embossed headrests there. And I like this glove box. Little button there to get in there. I'll go and drive aside and do that large display. You can actually get cameras, that's where it was earlier, and see all your different views you have. Anything grayed out simply means it's not active. There's your bed view camera. I was going over that a little bit earlier. It's got a little zoom feature on it too. If you want to zoom in on your bed contents. Down below you got lane departure warning, lane keep assist. That's your park assist. There's a retrofit for this part. You will have it later on from the factory. Auto stop on and off button. There's your tailgate button. That's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and shut it from here. Isn't that cool? Let's close it back up. Just holding the button down, that's all I'm doing. And of course, your hazard, just to build a track. This button rolls all 4 windows down at the same time. Push to start, your trailer brake controller. You have driver and front passenger heated and ventilated seats, and they are working. As well as some extra power ports. The shifter's a little different. It's now, I'll go ahead and show this. Alright, try to make a little darker in here. You have your park as a button, reverse and drive an L, and then your neutral. So if I wanted to drive it, I make sure I'm buckled up, and I go down for drive, and go down again. That allows me to be an L. That's a range selector. You can use these paddle shifters for up and down shifting, and you'll have a display in here telling you what gear you're in or going up to. That's how you utilize that. And of course this one has a 10-speed transmission. I'm gonna go back over and I'm just gonna hit park. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna go to reverse. See how I'm doing that? Now if I just tap the button for park, it parks the vehicle. That's all that button does. Moving back to this part, you got your power plug in here, a wireless charging port here. You do have another USB and USB port for charging, so everybody's got somewhere to charge in. Of course this one does have OnStar, and you also have your power sunroof, and this button here in the middle, that's for your sliding rear window. That's all that does. What I've been doing is having the window sticker at the end of the video. I'm just going to go through each part. You can pause the video if there's a question that you have, check on it to see if it has that equipment. This is of course dark ash metallic, and you do get a 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty on the diesels, unless it's for a business, then it's 5 years 60. All the goodies on this high country, quite a bit. Let me move this over a little bit. Probably a little too dark today. There's all your extra features it has, and your retrofit for front and rear park assist, and the price $68,900. Go to buywithbenny.com to get this vehicle. Happy to help. Oh, I don't know how I missed that. There's your awesome fuel economy. I've had a few people get 30 miles a gallon on this truck. If anybody has one, let me know in the comments how many miles a gallon you've got in your diesel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. Have a wonderful day.